Yeah, hi friends, welcome to Recreation Technologies. Today we are going to discuss about the JavaScript statements. So a computer program is a list of instructions to be executed by a computer. And in case of the programming language, these programming instructions are called as the statements. So here like the each line of statement, like when we are writing a set of code or amount of code, then the each line of statement, and those statements are nothing but called as the JavaScript statements. So let me give you a small example. Like under the script tag we are writing where x equal to 10. Where x equal to 10 is a statement. So which means we are telling to the compiler that the here x is a variable and which value is 10, and the x is what type of variable. It's a variable like as 10 is a int value, so automatically it will take that as into the compiler. So like here you can see, like let me declare where x, okay, and after that where y, okay, and then where z equal to 10. So all those things. So now here you can see I just created a three variables like where x, y and z, okay. But in case of the x and y I didn't assign any values, so those are currently like undefined, okay. So for let's say z I assigned some values, and which is nothing but about 10. So these all three variables are like now the JavaScript statements. So the where x is one statement, and the where y is another statement, and where z is another statement. So these are like all three are like three statements, and for the first and second statement we are not assigning any type of value into it, but for the third we just assign 10 values in it. So it's not about like we can assign only int value. I can assign a string value, even if I can assign a decimal value. So those things are fine, okay. But how those JavaScript statements are like differentiated between these three? Like here I am just giving an example of three variables, okay, but it can be of like many more variables or statements, okay. So the JavaScript statements are separated by using the semicolon. So as you can see at the end I just added the semicolon. So once I added that semicolon, like this can be a JavaScript statement. And like here you can see there are three JavaScript statements. So there can be many more, but here as per the example I'm just going to show you like these are the three JavaScript statements, okay. So this is all about our today's video. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to our channel.